Children look up to their parents through their life and try to catch all the habits and behavior of their parents. Parents are role model for their children. Thus, it is very important to take care of your behavior and try to cultivate the good habits in your children. Parents are role model for their children, and they don't know, they are not aware that what is right thing for them and what is wrong thing for them. In this case, I am going to tell you about children's good habits. You should try to teach your children good habits. Hello friends, this is Abhilasha and thank you for selecting this video. The first good habits for children I have: try to teach them eating healthy food, nutritious and balanced food. Try to teach your children eating good habit. You should tell them, you should encourage them to eat homemade version of noodles, Maggies, biscuits, chocolates, cakes. These are favorite items of children. So you should cook it at home and you should make them believe that these are very delicious and tasty as fast food outside. Second, you can cultivate the habit of enjoy family meals together. In the hectic life that we live today, it is not possible for parents to sit with their children and try to listen their story. No, it's not possible in working schedule. So try to cultivate the habits and set a timetable for enjoy family meals together, and make all the family members get together at dinner table. And on dinner table you can discuss many things of your children, and once they get into this habit, they will feel relaxed, comfortable, and they will learn good family bonding. It is good habit for children. Second, drinking a lot of pure water. You should simply tell them, please have a lots of water. Water helps them to decrease deadly virus. Water helps them and give them energy. So you should try to cultivate the habits of lots of water, drinking a lots of pure water rather than soda, other soft drinks. Water, you should prefer water. Second, cleaning up. Cleanliness, you should cultivate the habits in your children. You should try to teach your children cleanliness by childhood. Tell them small works like put their toys in a appropriate place, put their clothes, put their shoes. You should tell them, tell them some small works to do. And in this way, there are something I have: wash hands. Try to tell them, try to make them habitual washing their hands before and after having meals. Brush twice a day, in the morning and at night before going to sleep. Encourage them short nails. Trim your children's nails short regularly. Comb hair. Please make sure that comb hair, clean clothes, clean mess up and place things appropriate. By doing these things, once they grow up, they will make effort and they will try to things, they will organize the things properly. They clean up and mess, they will learn clean up. So you should teach your children these good habits of cleanliness. Exercise. The next one I have: exercise. You should teach your children to do exercise, some physical activity all the time, like walking, jogging, swimming, yoga, running. If your children are sitting on the sofa watching TV, get comfortable, it's not going to help them. It's not good habit for their health. So please try to teach them to go outside, play outside, doing some physical activity. The next one I have, pay gratitude. Foster the humble attitude in your children. Try to teach them respect elders, help sick person, and praying twice a day. You should try to teach them for praying twice a day in the morning and at night, and to be thankful what they have. You should tell them, please, if you are telling some work for for your children, you should tell them, please, sorry. These three words are doing magic in life, in everyone's life. So you should try to cultivate, you should teach your children these three magical words. Other than sharing, caring, honesty, early to bed, early to rise. These are other habits you should try to teach your children. Sharing their toys, sharing feelings, emotions, and share your meals with the person, with the kids who doesn't have and who really required that things. Caring, sharing is caring. Honesty is the best policy. Lies are lies. Don't allow your children, don't allow your children to tell a lie with you. Stop them. If they are lying, stop them immediately. And try to teach them honesty is the best policy. Early to bed, early to rise is the good habit. Try to sleep with your children early to bed. And before sleeping, brush teeth, praying to God, thank you to God, and cultivate the habit of getting up early in the morning. So, friends, you can cultivate the habits, you can teach your children these good habits, and it will help you, it will help them in future. Children are very good resources for parents, and they are our futures. So you should try to teach your children good habits. It brings me to the end of the lesson today. I will come soon with the next lesson. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe it. Don't forget to write me on comment box if you have any query. I will come soon. Till then, bye bye.